Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Misal Pav is a popular Maharashtrian street food. It consists of sprout curry topped with onion, farsan and served with pav. The curry is called as usal and it is dunked in just the right amount of chilli, onion, spice, infused with a thin gravy. The chunky toppings of the fried savory and onion complete the look and complement the texture and flavor of the dish. So let's get started. First we'll prepare the sprouts. For that we'll take 2 cups of moth beans, or you can take any sprouts of your choice, and take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add them to a pressure cooker. Add the sprouts, turmeric, salt and add 2 to 3 cups of water. Pressure cook them for 2 to 3 whistles and keep them aside. Now we'll prepare the masala paste. The ingredients required are few chopped ginger and 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 2 onions chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped and 1/2 cup of dry coconut. Now we'll heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add the ginger, garlic, onion, saute them well until the onion is translucent. Now in this stage we'll add the dry coconut and saute for a minute. And add 1 tomato and saute it well until the tomato turns soft. Now we can turn off the flame and let it to cool completely. After it is cooled completely, transfer it to a blender, add some water, blend it to a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now we'll make the usal. For that the ingredients required are 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of spicy red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala or goat masala and 1/2 teaspoon of jaggery. So let's get started. Again I will heat the pressure cooker, and when it's hot we'll add some 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Add the mustard and jeera and curry leaves and fry them for few seconds. And now we'll add the spices: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and saute them on low flame until the spices turn aromatic. Now in this stage we'll add the prepared masala paste and stir it well. We'll cook it until the oil in the masala releases. So cook it until the oil is released from the masala paste. Now we'll add the cooked sprouts and some pieces of jaggery, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and give them a good mix. And now we'll add water as required and adjust the consistency of the gravy. We'll cover it with a lid and boil it for around 10 to 15 minutes till the misal are cooked completely. Once the misal is cooked, oil starts to float, indicating the misal is ready. Now we can see that the misal pav is ready. So in a serving plate, take usal and add some farsan over it. Top it with chopped onions, coriander leaves, and also you can pour a ladle of gravy from the sides. Finally serve misal with pav and lemon wedges. Makes a complete misal pav. To get the authentic misal pav, add more oil and cook it till the oil floats on the top. Friends, try this recipe and comment me in the comment section.